I'm also going to take a look at ternary statements. A ternary statement is a statement that runs on a single line. And in the Python world, we can set the variable of cost to either be 100 or 0, depending upon this statement. This statement will return true because it is true, and therefore we get the value of 100. If it didn't return true, then we would use this value of 0 within this else section of this ternary statement. And of course, true is always true, so we print that out and we get 100. Now, the structure of this ternary statement is very different to other programming languages, such as PHP. For a start, we have to start PHP, and then we're using different types of street furniture to block off the portions of our ternary statement. So this is the statement that we are evaluating. If that statement is true, then this is the value that we use. However, if that isn't true, then this is the value that we use instead. So cost is equal to either 100 or 0, depending upon the return of that statement. And of course, true is always true, so we print cost out and we get 100. Now with Ruby, it's slightly more verbose because we're actually explaining the statement in a more human-friendly manner. So cost is either going to be 100 or 0. If true, then 100, else 0, and then we end that statement. And of course, true is always true, like I've said before, and therefore we have 100. Now in the JavaScript world, we're dealing with scopes, as I've mentioned before. So in this case, we have let and then cost. It's very similar to the way PHP works, where we have 100 or 0, depending on this statement here. So if we do a console log of cost, then we're going to get 100 back, because true is always true.